Remove the pre-installed screws at body handle 1 and install the bracket. Remove the pre-installed screws from the clip and install the clip. Then, install and secure the bracket. Connect the top support column and the hanging bracket, and tighten them to the middle support column. Installing the 40K cavitation handle cable. There's a clip on it, press the clip to pull it out. Installing the eye and face handle cable. There is a white rubber ring inside the handle head. If this white rubber ring is damaged, you can replace it with a spare. There are two handle heads, which can be used interchangeably as needed. Installing the body handle 2 handle cable. Installing the body handle 1 handle cable. There is a white rubber ring in the middle of the connection between the eye and face handle, body handle 2, and body handle 1 handles. If this white rubber ring is damaged, it can be replaced with a spare. Place the installed handles into their respective brackets one by one. Hang the body-shaped sculpture garment at the hook position. Then place the cables one by one onto the hanger. By sliding the board at the bottom of the instrument's side, you can see that there is a filter inside. Connect the power cord and activate the power button. Click Welcome on the screen. Default body handle 1. Settings. Vacuum, 3S. Level, 3. Time, 15 minutes. Rev, 18 revolutions per minute. RF, 25J/CM superscript 2. Scrolling directions, outwears. Laser energy, 12W. Also make adjustments through the buttons on the controller. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Press the Start/Pause button to stop the operation. Choose body handle 2. Settings. Vacuum, 3S. Level, 3. Time, 15 minutes. RF, 25J/CM superscript 2. Laser energy, 12W. Also make adjustments through the buttons on the controller. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Press the Start/Pause button to stop the operation. Choose eye and face handle. Settings. Vacuum, 3S. Level, 2. Time, 10 minutes. RF, 10J/CM superscript 2. Laser energy, 4W. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Press the Start/Pause button to stop the operation. Choose 40K cavitation. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. 40K, 20J/CM superscript 2. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Press the Start/Pause button to stop the operation. Turn off the power button and unplug the power cord.